안녕 친구, 환영합니다. Today I'll be unboxing TinyTan Suwarase-tai Volume 1. A few days ago, I went out with one of my friends. We went to Don Donki, and I happened to found a makeshift gacha machine, and TinyTan was one of the characters available, and it was only the Suwarase-tai Volume 1 version that was available. So I got all the 7 figures. Since it was a makeshift gacha machine, I could literally put my hand in and grab out whatever character I want, and I'm glad that I found all the characters because Jungkook's was the hardest to find. This is his, and he was literally wrapped up like that. I couldn't tell who it was, and I had to like gamble a bit, and I'm glad that I got Jungkook. So he's the one, his is the only one that doesn't have the tape and the barcode, because the moment I checked out, I just pulled it off just to make sure I got all 7. Yeah, but I didn't have the plan to get any of this, but my friend, she was determined to make sure that I do not leave the shop empty-handed, and so I gave in, and we spent like, she was helping me to find, because it was like a lot of it, and there was only one Jungkook, which says a lot. I'm sorry for the motorbike. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna start with Jungkook's, but before that, you know, I'm just gonna let you know the price, because this is a makeshift gacha machine and it's an open concept. It's more expensive than a regular gacha machine, because those regular ones, you just put in the coin and you just turn it out and just a random character. But in this case, you could choose the characters that you want, so it's like 3 times more expensive. So I got 7 pieces, and one cost $9.95. It's like $10. So like I said, we're gonna start with Jungkook since his gacha machine has been untaped. So there's a tab over here, you just pull this and then open it up. So it comes with like a manual of what there is, and it tells you the lineup as well. So we have RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, and V, and Jungkook. Yeah, so it's for 15 and above. There's 7 types. This is the dynamite version. So this is button size. So we have the figurine and we have the stand. Just got a pair of scissors. You can just take this out. Just take out the figurine and the stand. Jungkook has a blue acrylic clear plastic stand. And over here we have Jungkook. He's just so adorable. But for the price, it isn't actually that bad. It's actually pretty detailed, and the paint job is really good. No smudges, no nothing. And it's so adorable. Just gonna put this on the stand. And clicks in really well. Since we started with Jungkook, I decided that we should go backwards. So we have Phoenix, and you can see there's tape and the barcode. So I'm just gonna remove that. The tape's off. Let's put a tap and press. So he has a blue stand as well. I believe everyone has a blue stand. Look at how cute this is. We have the blue base, and here is V. This is so cute. I'm still amazed with the paint job. It's really good. I'll just put V in. Next we have Jimin. We have the blue base, and here is Jimin. He has a cross earring. This side of the figuring is not really that smooth, but I think it's fine. You won't be able to see from far. This is so adorable. I don't know how many times I'm going to say this in the video, but they are so cute. Next, we have J-Hope. We've got the blue base, and we have the figuring over here. This is so adorable. I like how each and every member has a different pose, and they're not just like the same. Next, we've got Suga. Yeah. We've got the blue base, and we have Suga over here. His is so adorable. I love his cheeks, and he looks really cool. Oh my gosh. Just let me put this in properly. Next, we've got Jin. We have the blue base, and we have Jin. Let's just put him in the stand. Lastly, we have RM. We've got the last blue base, and we have RM. This is so adorable as well. In fact, all the figurines are really adorable. They have these pink cheeks. Let's put this on. Oh my gosh, this is a tight fit. Now, I don't remember if you remember this gacha machine that I got from Japan, that I ordered from Japan. This one. I got the acrylic stand from Daiso, but the acrylic stand is too short, so I can't close this. I can't close this fully without, you know, the gaps. So I'm gonna change this out with the figuring, and I actually ordered a bigger one for the gacha machine. Hopefully it's the right size. Let's just switch this out. I'm glad this fits. Here we have the figurines in the display case. They're really adorable. And then if I were to remove this, they're so cute. And I realized I forgot to end the video, so this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.